Hello everyone. Today we will be creating this text underlining effect using HTML and CSS. So this is what we will be creating in this video. Looks cool, huh? Let's get started. So as you can see here, I have created two files, one for HTML, one for CSS, and this one is basically the preview. Okay, so we'll go to the HTML. We got the first set of codes. Tab, link it, give a h1, h2, sorry, and give a long of 20. So this is basically it for our HTML. Now let's get started with our CSS. We'll have a body, enter. The body is going to have a background color. The background color is going to be black. Okay. And we are going to have min height. Min height going to be 70. Viewport height. Make it responsive. Okay. We are going to have padding. Padding is going to be, guys, 40, not 30, sorry, 40 viewport height by 30 viewport width. Okay, so we enter and we're going to have a color. Color means what is our text is going to look like. What is the color of our text? So we'll give a text color of white. So yeah, it's nice, right? Looks nice. So leave it into a font family. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to use font. Of 130 or 120% according to your screen size. So this is good for me. Yeah, so this is it for the body. Now let's get started with our H2, right? Customizing our animation. So H2, enter, and we are going to have a line height. Okay. So the line height is going to be 15%. Oh, let's do 15 pixels. Yeah, we'll keep it like that for some time. Then we're going to have a display. Display is going to be inline, not flex, inline. Okay. So next we're going to have background. Background is not going to be color or anything, it's going to be image, and it's going to have a linear gradient. Inside the linear gradient we're going to have enter. Inside that we're going to have our transparent. It's going to be transparent. It's going to be 50%. Now we will copy the transparent and we are going to paste it 3 times. Yeah, this much. Yeah, and this one is going to be the color of blue. This one is going to be dark blue. Okay, so say looks the same, but we will change it now. This is perfect. This one will keep it a bit light. Yeah, perfect. We'll cut the dark here. Okay, so this will stay This one will be 85%. This one 85. This one also going to be 85 and 50. So yeah, now what we are going to do is still not the end of the code for H2. Now what we are going to do is, guys, now we are going to have background. This time it's not a background color, background image, it's going to be a background repeat. It's going to be no repeat. Okay. So next we are going to have a background size. So background size is not going to be cover. It's going to be we'll do 0% by 100% without doing the cover over it. 0% by 100%. Perfect. Now that is for the H2. Now let's code our keyframe. Okay, so keyframes. Okay, and we are going to have a keyframe. It's going to be animation. Okay, going to be animation, and we are going to hold it, and inside that we are going to make another one. That one is going to be basically so 0%, enter, and make a background. It's going to be background size. So going to be a background size. So the background size is going to be, guys, the same. Oh, let's do the background. The background as 50. 50 or something in that area. So 100%. 1000%. So this one will make it not 15 actually. We'll make it maybe 1.5 because I think that the 15 is too high. So line height is going to be 1.5. So now what we're going to do is only the background color. So background color is basically we'll do just black. You can do any color what you like, but in this one I will use black. So we have a lot of options in our H2. We styled our H2 and we styled the body and we add a key. So yeah, that's all for this amazing text work. Now we'll see our final product, right? Yeah. So yeah, it worked. Perfect. Nice. So this is what we created in this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please share this video with your friends.